Hey guys, if you're into off-roading, I got to share this Offroad Recovery Kit here. It comes in this nice storage bag. This is from Nick's Face. Let me show you everything that's in here. All right, here it is. This thing is serious if you're into off-roading here. First thing that it comes with is this 10-ton snatch block pulley. Now this thing is massive. This thing will be able to pull just about anybody out. It does come with a tree saver strap as well. This is 3 inches by 8 feet. And just look at this thing. It's massive here. You can put this thing around a huge tree. It also comes with 2 of these 3/4 inch D-rings. I like it does have the little spacers on it as well, so it's not just rattling around on your truck. And I like that it has the rubber piece down here on the end. All right, now let's take this out and test it. All right, let's give this thing a shot here. Here's my tree saver. I'm gonna go around one of these trees over here. Here's the pulley. Have my D-ring. I hooked up a soft shackle to it. You don't have to. I just had this, so I'm going to use this as well. Have the winch coming out here. Come down and go into the pulley. Have my soft shackle with the tree saver. Then the other part runs back with this soft shackle and my D-ring. As you can see here, and you hit the in button. Winch is doing that, and you can see it's pulling my truck forward. You can see that tree saver over there. The pulley's working well. So if you're finding yourself out and you get stuck into a ditch, like you see back here out in the snow, or somebody else's and you need to get them out, this tree saver, pulley, and D-rings really does the job well.